Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Code with Stephen. Today we are going to explore another important concept in React, that is state. First let's see what is the definition of state. State is an object that holds data or information about the component. And the key points of states are: state is dynamic. That means state can change over time. Example, through user actions like button click. Each component can have its own state. When the state changes, React re-renders the component to reflect those changes. Let's see some of the examples where state is used. A counter that increases when a button is clicked, and a form that updates as you type, and a toggle switch that changes between dark and light mode, as you all are seeing in the below example. Let's understand state in a better way by taking the examples. Imagine you are building a toy robot that can remember things like what color it is, how many candles it has, or if it's happy or sad. The memory your robot keeps track of, it's just like a state in React. Let's consider another example. Imagine you are at a pizza shop. Every time someone orders a slice, you update the number of slices left on the board. The number changes, right? That changing number is the state in our React app. React needs to remember it and update the screen whenever it changes. I hope you all have understood the state by these examples. Let's understand state in a better way by doing a practical example. To understand state better, let's take the example of counter. So this is our app.js. Let's type the boilerplate code here. So within the div, we'll add two buttons. So we need two buttons, increase and decrease. First one I'll name it as increase and second one as decrease. Okay. So here I'll use useState hook. useState hook is used to manage the state. Okay. So const count comma set count equals to useState. So initial value I'll keep it as 0, right? Then within the button tag, we need to add the onClick event. Whenever the user clicks on the increase button, the count should increase, right? So onClick equals to, here I'll use the arrow function, set count of count plus 1. Okay. Similarly for decrease button, onClick equals to arrow function, set count of count minus 1. Okay. So to display the result, we'll add h2 tag, and within the h2 tag we'll add count. Okay. So we are done with the coding part. Let's see the output. So we got the output here. Initial state is 0. We have two buttons, increase and decrease. So when I click on increase, the number gets increased. That is, the state gets updated from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Similarly, when I click on decrease, the number gets decreases, right? So this is how we use state in React. I hope you all have understood the concept of state. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on the next video with a new topic. Thank you.